Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I'll be taking with a new chapter now. Yesterday I told you about this nutrition and dietetics, I think so. Right? We'll discuss about nutrition and diet. Okay. Unit 2, you please write down PSM. Okay, it's preventive and social medicine theory. We'll be taking theory class on PSM. Unit 2, it is upon community health. Oh, I think we have started this, right? Community health, definition of health and all. Did you start? WHO definition of health.
Yes, ma'am.
That health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not mere an absence of disease or infirmity. That one we have written, right? I think we were
Yes,
from
ma'am.
dimensions of health. Okay. So write down dimensions of health. Dimensions of health. Then you write health is multidimensional. Health is multidimensional. Health is multidimensional. M-U-L-T-I, multidimensional. D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N-L, multidimensional. Full stop. Then below you write number 1, physical dimension. Number 1 is physical dimension. Physical dimension. Then you write the state of physical health implies the state of physical health implies the state of physical health implies the notion of implies the notion of NOTION, notion of implies the notion of perfect functioning of the body. Perfect functioning of the body. Notion of perfect functioning of the body. Full stop. Then you write the science of physical health. The science of physical health. The science of physical health in an individual are in an individual are in an individual are a good complexion, physical are comma, then you write a good complexion, COMPLEXION, a good complexion, comma, a clean skin, a clean skin, a clean skin, comma, bright eyes, bright eyes, bright eyes, BRIGHT, bright eyes, EYES eyes, comma, lustrous hair, lustrous hair, LUSTROUS, lustrous hair, lustrous hair with a body, 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 well clothed with firm flesh, well clothed with firm flesh, FLASH, flesh, warm clothed with warm clothed with firm flesh, FLASH flesh, comma, not too fat, not too fat, FAT fat, not too fat, FAT fat, not too fat, comma, a sweet breath, BREATH, a sweet breath, a sweet breath, comma, a good appetite, a good appetite, APPETIT, a good appetite, a good appetite,
Ma'am, a good or a full?
a good, GOOD, a good appetite, APPETIT, a good appetite, comma, sound sleep, 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 sound sleep, SLEEP, sound sleep, comma, regular activities of bowel and bladder, regular, REGULAR, regular activity of bowels and bladder, BLADDR, bladder, and smooth, huh? Regular activity of bowels and bladder, bowels, BOWELS, bowels and bladder, 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 and the end, smooth, 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 comma, SMOOTH, smooth, comma, easy coordinated body movement, easy coordinated body movement, easy coordinated body movement, MOVEMENTS, easy coordinated body movements, MOVEMENTS, easy movements, body movements. Okay, so what did you see here? First is physical dimension. Okay, in physical dimension, a state of physical health, that is a perfect functioning of the body, means all the functions of the body are functioning properly, regularly. Okay, so what are the signs of physical health? First is you got a good complexion, okay, a clean skin, okay, then bright eyes, okay, lustrous hair. All those people who are suffering from alopecia, alopecia means um, excessive amount of hair fall. Okay, you will have too much of hair fall that even all this, many of the parts of the head becomes bald. Okay, and they need to go for treatment. So all these are also because of improper physical health. Okay, so you can take an example, alopecia. Okay, then lustrous hair with body well clothed with firm flesh. Then not too fat. Not too fat means obesity is not good. Okay, too much thin mean is also not good, and too much over fat is also not good for our body. It will lead to obesity, and too much thin will look like malnourished. Okay, so both are not good. You should be in the middle, neither too fat nor too thin. Okay, then a sweet breath. Okay, a good appetite. Many people are there who are not able to eat properly, eat and sleep properly. That is also not physically healthy. Okay, you should have a sound sleep at night. You should be able to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. You should have proper sleep. If you are not able to get proper sleep, that means there is some kind of problem with you. Okay, you should sleep properly, eat on time. Okay, then regular activity of bowels and bladder. Bowel and bladder mane, bowels means toilet. Okay, and bladder means urine. Okay, you should have a proper and regular activities of your toilet as well as urine. Understand? If after 3-4 days if you go for toilet, what will happen? You will suffer from constipation. Understand? If you can't pass your urine properly, again you will suffer from some other kinds of diseases. So that is very much important. Then easy coordinated body movement. If little bit you will walk, then you will feel tired. You will have backache, this ache, that ache. At this age, that is not proper. When you grow old and you are having backache, stomach ache, or some kind of heart disease, then that one is different thing. That is a completely different thing. Okay, but at this age, at this youth time, if you are suffering, if you walk a bit and then you start complaining that I'm having body ache, leg ache, this ache, that is not good. That is a sign of improper physical activity, or you are not a healthy person. Okay, so you should go for proper and regular exercises. You should go for morning walk. Okay, all these are very much important. Walking is also good. Okay, you should wake up early, sleep. What is the phrase? They always say that early to bed and early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Early to bed, go to sleep early, wake up early, go for morning walk. That is a very good habit. Okay, so all these are included in your physical dimensions. Okay, you understood? Clear, all of you? Clear, Nafitaba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 2, you write mental dimensions. Number 2, you write down mental dimensions. Number 2, mental dimensions. Mental dimensions. Then you write, psychologists have mentioned the following characteristics. Psychologists have mentioned the following characteristics. Psychologists have mentioned the following characteristics as attributes of mentally healthy person. As attributes of mentally healthy person. Mentally healthy person. Okay, mentally healthy person. Number put A, small a, and write down, a mentally healthy person is, a mentally healthy person is, is, a mentally healthy person is, a mentally healthy person is free from, is free from internal conflicts, is free from internal conflicts, internal, INTERNL, internal conflicts, CONFLICTS, internal conflicts, comma, he is not at war. He is not at war with himself or herself. He is not at war, W-A-R, war, with himself or herself. He is not at war with himself or herself. Number 2, he is well adjusted. He is well adjusted, ADJUSTED. He is well adjusted. He is well adjusted, comma, that is, he is able to get along well with others. That is, he is able to get along well with others. OTHERS. That is, he is able to get along well with others. Full stop. He accepts criticism. He accepts criticism. CRITICISM. He accepts criticism and is not easily upset. He accepts criticism.
Velvic order.
Yes, no? Yes,
Velvic order. Number B.
Is well adjusted. He is well adjusted, comma, that is, he is able to get along well with others. Means he get adjusted with the environment very easily. He make friends easily. Okay, he is friendly with everyone. Okay, to get along well with others. Full stop. He accepts criticism. He accepts criticism and is not easily upset. Criticism. CRITICISM. He accepts criticism and is not easily upset. Full stop. Next is number 3rd point. He searches for identity. He searches for identity. Then number 4 point you write, he has a strong sense of self-esteem. He has a strong sense of self-esteem. He has a strong sense of self-esteem. E-S-T-E-E-M, self-esteem. Self-esteem means what? He has got his own worth. Okay. He knows who he is, he or she is. He has his own identity. He has his own dignity. Okay. He maintains a good relationship with everyone. Okay. These are the qualities of a perfectly healthy individual, mentally healthy individual. Okay. If someone will say something, then you will feel bad. That is not healthy. You are not able to accept criticism. Criticism means what? Disapproval or negativity from somebody else. You are not able to listen all those things. That is the sign of an individual with improper or lower amount of mental health. Okay, means you are not healthy mentally. You can't accept criticism from others. You can't accept the faults in you. Okay, if someone says something, you will get upset easily. That is not good. Okay, you should accept everything. Like if someone is saying negative about you, you should be happy. Okay, that person is saying negative about me. Maybe I have some faults in me. That's why that person is saying something. So I should remake it. I should mend my ways. I should know what he is saying to me, he or she is saying. So that is the way of accepting things. Okay, if someone says negative, it's okay. Try to learn from your mistakes. Okay, you get to learn from your mistakes. But if those mistakes hamper your head, that is not good. You will go into depression. You will go into anxiety. Okay, so that is a sign of a mentally ill person or individual. The next point you write down. 5th point you write, he knows himself. He knows himself. He knows himself. H-I-M-S-E-L-F. He knows himself, comma, his needs, and WDS needs, comma, problems and goals. Problems and goals. Problems and goals means he is well aware of his goal, what he need to achieve in life. Okay, what is his aim in life? He will go for that goal. Okay, nothing can interrupt him. Okay, there is nothing. If he wants to become a medical technician, he will become a medical technician. Just because his friends are going in DDIT or DOT, he will go and move in that another option. He is not like that. Okay, he is focused on his goals and aims. It is very much clear for him. Okay. The next point you write, he has a good self-control. 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 S-E-L-F, self-control. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Self-control. Balances rationality and emotionality. Balances rationality. R-A-T-I-O-N-A-L-I-T-Y. R-A-T-I-O-N-A-L-I-T-Y. Rationality and emotionality. Emotionality. E-M-O-T-I-O-N-A-L-I-T-Y. That means he is quite balanced. He is a balanced person. Okay, emotionally also he is not weak, and rationally also he is not weak. Okay, he is a strong and focused person. Okay, the next point you write down, he faces problems and tries to solve them. He or she faces problems. He or she faces problems. P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. He or she faces problems and tries to solve them intelligently. And tries to solve them intelligently. Intelligent. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T-L-Y. Intelligently. That is coping with stress and anxiety. That is Coping, C-O-P-I-N-G, coping with stress and anxiety. That is coping with stress and anxiety. Coping with stress and anxiety. A-N-Z-I-E-T-Y, anxiety. Okay. So what do you get to know? That he is emotionally strong. He knows how to rationalize. Okay. And next, even if he faces problems, he tries to solve it intelligently. Okay. He is not a fool. Okay. Just because someone is saying something and replying back to that person, that is not called intelligent. Okay. You should obviously answer back as a person. You should obviously tell him or her, but you should tell him or her in a good way. Okay, you should let the other person realize that if you are right, then you should let the other person realize that, listen, you are wrong in this. Let him understand his faults. Okay, not that he is saying something, so you will also give one karara answer. Not like that. That will cause what? That will cause enmity. That will cause jhagra. Okay, jhagra between yourselves. So that is not good. If you are a mentally sound person, so all these qualities will be there in you. Okay, you'll be very much poised. Okay, you won't be like blah blah blah. You won't be like that. So that is not good. Try to be a physically healthy and mentally healthy person. Okay, the third point you write, social dimensions. Social dimension. Wait, please hold on. Please hold on for 1 second. Social sustainability, write down. Social sustainability. Social sustainability, S-U-S-T-A-I-N-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. S-U-S-T-A-I-N-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Social sustainability aims at the aims at the aims at the aims 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 at the human life, aims at the human life, HUMN, human life that is distribution of social pressure, that is distribution of social pressure, PRESSURE pressure, social pressure, comma, role allocation, role allocation, ROLE, role allocation, ALLOCATION, role allocation, ROLE, role allocation, ALLOCATION. Role allocation means what? What is your role? Your role is that of a student. What is my role? My role is to teach you. Okay, that is the role allocation. We are allocated in our own works. Okay, you as a student, you will have to come for classes, you will have to take classes, you have to get good marks, you will have to become something in life. Okay, you have to be someone, you will have to have your own identity. Okay, people will know you through that, and my role for now is to teach you, to make you understand. Okay, so that our roles are different. I need to upload notes, I need to set up answers for all of you. Okay, so these are my roles, and your role is to study and to attend and be attentive in the class. Okay, comma, distribution of work, 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 comma, equality of opportunities, comma, equality of opportunities, OPPORTUNITIES, equality of opportunities, full stop. The focus is on a human existence. The focus, FOCUS, The focus is on a human existence, EXISTENC, human existence, comma, which can provide
Equality.
the focus is on human existence, EXISTENC, human existence, comma, which can provide for the material, which can provide for the material, which can provide for the material, 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 and immaterial basic needs, material and immaterial basic needs, immaterial, IMMATERIAL, immaterial basic needs. You all know what are material needs. Okay, having a cell phone, that is also a material need for joining in your online classes, right? Without a cell phone you won't be able to join online classes because of this corona. Okay, we are prone to have a mobile phone. Even small little, even I have a brother, small brother, they don't even know how to use mobile phones, but now they are in so much need that they need a mobile phone for joining their classes. He's studying only in class 2. Okay, but he needs a mobile phone for joining classes. So these are the material needs. Okay, according to the situation and time, we need to have all these things. There are no other choice. Immaterial needs means, what are the immaterial needs? The things that are available in nature. Okay, be it our environment. Understand? Wind, air, everything is natural. Okay, so all these are also our basic needs. Without air, you cannot breathe. Okay, without food, you cannot stay. Water, without drinking water, what will happen? Tau Yati, without water? Water is not a material need, right? Water is immaterial, it is natural. Tau Yati, tell me, without water, what will happen?
We cannot
Can you
survive
leave?
in this world.
Yes?
We cannot survive.
We cannot survive. Okay, without water is an essential human need, right? So all
Yes,
of
ma'am.
these things. Okay, full stop. Then you write.
Ma'am, can you repeat once?
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you repeat once? Social
Repeat.
dimension.
Huh? Social dimensions. From the beginning.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What, explanation or notes?
Notes.
Equality
Equality of opportunity.
of opportunities, full stop. The focus is on human existence. The focus is on human existence. The focus is on human existence, comma, which can provide for the material and immaterial basic needs. Material and immaterial basic needs. Basic, BASIC, basic needs, and WDS needs. Then you write down maintaining a, full stop, you write maintaining a good, 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 maintaining a good interpersonal relationship with the society. Maintaining a good interpersonal relationship with the society where we live in. With the society where we live in. Maintaining a good interpersonal, INTER, interpersonal, PERSONL, interpersonal relationship with the society we live in. Maintaining a good interpersonal relationship with the society we live in. Dynasty, tell me, what is a good interrelationship with the society? How can you maintain? Dynasty Dev Burma. Say fast. Dynasty. Yes, Dynasty, say.
By having a good relationship with them.
Huh?
By having a good relationship with them.
Show me your face. What is that? Your picture is coming.
Ma'am, it's showing like poor network connection.
Hmm? Yes, Dynasty, please say. What you said is right only. You just tell me. Dynasty, say. Say Dynasty. Others? Sriyam?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me, how will you maintain a good relation? Is maintaining a good interpersonal relationship with the society important? Is it important or not important?
Yes, ma'am. It's important.
Can't you turn on your video? If your network is bad, it's okay. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it important
it's
to maintain
important.
a good interpersonal relationship with the society?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think so?
It is important
Why do you think so?
because we need help.
And
Ma'am.
you are living with them, right? You need each other. What you said is correct. We need help, and we also stay together. If something happens, okay, our neighbors, our society is the main thing. If something happens to us, for example, okay, our relatives are not nearby, who is the first person who will come to you? Your neighbor. The person who are staying
Yes,
nearby
ma'am.
you, they will first approach you, right? Afterwards, your relatives and cousins will come. They might not be in the same location where you are staying, but neighbors are always around. So they are the first person who will come to you when you are in need, or if something happens to you and you need to be taken to the hospital. Okay, they will be the first person who will come to you. So you need to maintain a good relationship with your society, right? With your neighbors. And it is also, we should love our neighbors. Okay, we should love our neighbors. Even if they are good or bad, that doesn't matter, but you will have to, you need to love your neighbors as you love yourself. Okay, once when you love your neighbors, they will also love you in return. Okay, it's not like a give and take thing, like give love and give me love. No, not like that. Okay, even if they don't love you, but you should love them. Understand? You should love everyone. So these are the
Yes,
things that are needed for a socially, mentally healthy person. Okay, so now you please join again, all of you. My meeting time is less than 1 minute. It will just go. Thank you. Please join again.